Friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we have come here to I'll let you know that result of BSNL examination, the exams which was conducted on 5th July. So its result is out, almost out. It's, you can say, result is out as per the BSNL team. So if you have any concern, you can raise your query or anything. Let's go, we will go in detail and how we can check what is the website, we will let you know. So these are the two exams which was conducted on 5th July. So that is junior telecom officer and senior executive trainee. So the senior executive trainee was conducted on 5th July. So if you will go examination notification, see, this was the exam which was conducted on 5th July. Okay, see, conducted on 5th July, Sunday, for both the finance team, trainee of telecom, senior executive trainee of telecom, and finance stream, both. So its result has been out. So you can go on this website, external this website. You can go on external.exam.bsnl.com, and after that you can check if you will click on registration link, then you will go to this portal. You will move to this portal where you can check your, see what is the written here. This is available and it will be, yeah, please submit your representation here. So when you will click, it will open. See the response sheet. You can now check, read this line what has been written. Now available candidates may check their individual response sheet and submit their representation if any. This portal will be live till 17th July. Till 17th July you can check your result. Today is 10th July, so you have still 7 days in hand. So go and check your response, whatever, either it is right or wrong. If you feel that any response from their side that is wrong, you can submit your response here with valid supporting, that they will review and they will republish the final results. So you go on this website, and for this for your information, I will also post this website link on my description box also. So stay connected, stay updated, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Okay, bye bye, thank you.